I see them. So I'm watching her ears. I'm watching her head. Thank you, Lucy. What's over there? I still see them. They're coming up the road. That's right. You okay? Thank you, Lucy. What? Come here. Thank you, Lucy. Oh, good shake off. So there were no consequences when I talked to her. Sorry about that. No consequences when I talked to her. So this is total habituation right now. Puppy is leaving again. Thank you, Lucy. I don't know what I'm filming right now. There's such a glare on my screen. Are you ready? Can we cuddle? Lucy, do you want to cuddle? Come here. What happened? Come here. No? What are you gonna do? Come here. Let's go in here. Let's go in here. So we're gonna de-stress together. We're not gonna go in all the way in there because that's where the porcupine are. That's right. She's still curious. Stop. Thank you, Lucy. Yes, we're gonna go to the spot where they were. Slow down. Lucy, slow down, please. Is that where they were at? Over here? Lucy, over here? Come here. You ready? Do you want some cuddles? Come here. Thank you. Thank you. You did so good. Yeah. Mm-hmm. The little puppies. That's right. Are we good? Want one more? Oh, you did so good. I know you need water. Slow down. Slow down, Lucy. Please. Thank you. Slow down, Lucy. So I'm going to put you guys on pause real quick. Oh, but where they were at. Oh no, that's some old doggy poop. Sorry, Lucy. Come here, baby. Pause. Lucy, you want to catch? You want to catch? Oi, you want to catch? I know, that's poop. What? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, come on. Stop. Oh, good shaker. Oh, good shaker. Oh my goodness. I get your butt. Stop. Thank you, Lucy. We're not going to go down there yet. Come on, baby. Come here. Come here. I get your butt. Slow down. I know you need water. I know you need water. I know you need water. Stop. Let me get my camera. Recovery is really, really important. So now we're gonna go home because she needs water. She has a lot of foam, white bubbles in her mouth, and that's that. You all have a good day. If you like this video, please hit follow or subscribe. Hit the subscribe button and hit like, please. And if you have any questions about what you just watched, shoot me a comment. And all this will help our algorithms and to help us get more subscribers and to help us grow our YouTube channel. Thank you very much. You all have a good day. This is Diana with Affective Dog Behavior. Bye.